What's that? Up in the sky. It's a bird. No, it's a plane. Wait, yeah, it's a plane. An airplane. Meet the airplane. It's the horse that flies. With wings. Traverse the skies with the airplane's controlled flight. Neither the rough mountains nor the raging sea can stop you when you're above them. With yaw, pitch, and roll technology, the airplane can hit any cloud you point to. See family from the other side of the country. Explore the other side of the sea. With the airplane, you can go anywhere. We can go anywhere.